Today, we're diving into the sleek and stylish world of the GOPIE X07 ATX gaming PC case. This tower not only boasts a stunning white exterior but also comes equipped with 4 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, ready to illuminate your gaming setup with vibrant colors. The addressable RGB lighting can be easily controlled via motherboard software, allowing for customizable light modes to suit your preferences. But it's not just about looks. The X07 features a 270 degrees panoramic dual-chamber design, showcasing your components in all their glory while maximizing airflow to keep temperatures in check. With tempered glass panels on both sides, you can admire your build from every angle without compromising on cable management. Inside, the X07 offers a spacious layout with strong compatibility for a variety of hardware. Whether you're using a standard ATX, micro ATX, mini ATX, or ATX motherboard, this case has you covered. Plus, with support for GPU lengths up to 410mm and CPU cooling heights up to 165mm, you have plenty of room to install high-performance components. When it comes to cooling, the X07 doesn't disappoint. Perforated rear and top panels ensure efficient airflow throughout the case, while 2 magnetic dust filters help keep dust at bay, maintaining optimal performance for your rig. Overall, the GOPIE X07 ATX gaming PC case offers a winning combination of style, performance, and customization options. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a PC enthusiast, this tower is sure to impress with its stunning design and robust features. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.